Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you have weak signal on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. If your signal is weak, the first thing you may want to try would be to toggle airplane mode on and then back off again. If you don't see it here, you can use the pencil button to look somewhere down here to check if maybe it is here, and then just tap and hold and scroll it into the top wherever you want it so it's visible there. Another thing you may want to try is to toggle mobile data off and then back on again. But if these steps don't work or you don't find them here, you can also find them in settings, network and internet, and right here you can just toggle those settings again. If you have problem with mobile data, you may want to make sure that the right SIM card is selected for data. If you have multiple, just make sure the correct one is set. Maybe data saver is turned off, so it doesn't restrict your mobile data from being used. If that's not the issue, another thing you may want to consider is moving into an area with better coverage, as for example inside buildings you may have trouble with connection because of the walls disrupting the signal, as well as just certain areas may not have the best coverage depending on your carrier. Another thing you may look at is under SIM and mobile network. Tap on the desired SIM card and scroll down to preferred network type. Now if you have it set to, let's say, 2G, then it's quite understandable that you may not have signal, or the signal may be poor, as in many areas 2G is no longer supported. 3G should be supported in the majority of areas, and 4G or LTE should be supported also in the majority of areas. 5G may again be supported, but only in bigger cities. So if you have trouble with getting 5G connection, you may want to try changing it to LTE. If this still has problems, you can try changing it to 3G. And if this still has issues, you may consider changing it to 2G. But I would recommend keeping it on 5G, as it will automatically switch to 4G if the connection is not available. But changing it to 4G may actually improve the quality in some cases. You may consider taking Wi-Fi calling on, just to possibly improve the quality of your calls. But outside of this, you can also try looking at your access point names and confirm with your carrier which ones you should have enabled. If it's not visible here, the one that they tell you should have, then tap on plus and put in the details that they told you to. You can also try allowing 2G right here, just in case that's the only option. You may also consider calling your carrier to check for outages in your area. And that's about it for the weak signal fixes. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.